Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply for Grabfood delivery bike. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply to become a Grabfood delivery rider. First, open your web browser and go to the official Grab website. Once you're on the homepage, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and then select Be Our Partner. Then choose Food Delivery Rider or Food Delivery Driver, depending on the options available in your region. Next, click Sign Up and begin filling out your personal information. If you don't see the sign up option on the website, download the Grab Driver app from the Google Play Store or the App Store instead. After installing the app, open it and sign in using your Google account or another available sign-in method. Then, start the registration process by entering the required details, such as your full name, identification information, and a referral code if you have one. After that, choose the type of delivery vehicle you'll be using, such as a bicycle, motorcycle, or car, depending on the options available in your location. Complete the remaining registration form, upload any required documents, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once you've submitted all the required information, your Grabfood Rider application will be sent for review. After your application is approved, you'll be able to start accepting delivery orders through the Grab Driver app. And that's it! So that's basically how you can apply for Grabfood delivery bike. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.